Good morning, everyone. So, today we are going to see how we can see a chart for technical analysis purpose. Simply on Google, you can search tradingview.com, then their website open and click on outside, then click on countries, India, scroll down, you can see here Infosys, ICIC. You can see all the information you can get here about the everything. So here Nifty 50 index is there. So I'm opening the chart now. Here major index we have seen here. I have opened Nifty 50 index and just click on full chart. Then full chart you can see here Nifty 50 index is open. This is in daily time frame. So daily time frame you can see the price movement and volume here. If you have, you can easily edit the time frame whatever you want. I go for 1 hour and you can see how 1 hour chart look like. You can simply see here 1 hour chart. This is how. So sorry for the disturbance. A chart here daily time frame in 4 hours, 2 hours, 6 months, 3 months, 1 week, whatever you want. You will get information here for free here. So I have opened up 4 hours. So how you can analyze on the basis of chart? And yesterday we learned about how we get about a fundamental. In next video you can see I have already uploaded. So in trading, in my opinion, you have to have a knowledge about the technical, fundamental, and psychology or trend, we can say. Then you can be a profitable. So you can search here simply any company listed on NSE or BSE. You can get the full chart for free. I have opened for Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited chart here. The current market price is 308.5 cents. You can see in 5 minutes. So if you are day trading, if you are a swing trader, so time frame depends upon that. If you are a scalper, you are just doing scalping. So I will make all the videos regarding so where to use, how to use the time frame for your purpose, trading purpose. If you are trading intraday, then which time frame is suitable. If you are trading swing trading, then which time frame is suitable. All the information I will provide you in my channel. So do please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Here Reliance Industries, and you can see here the current market price in daily time frame. Continuous price is coming down, but you have to also, trading is just simple. Many people make it complicated by using too many indicators there. Actually indicator does not work in my opinion. Otherwise everyone go and use indicator and earn money. Why 95% people lose money in trading? Just because of this. You have to set your own strategy how you are to trade. So this kind of information I have opened Yes Bank limited stock here. So you can see so many news and before 1 years people were saying that it will become a zero, but you can see here. So not only on the basis of news you can trade, you may be in a loss. So don't trust blindly, set your own. Or if you want how, then I will make each and every sectoral video here. So please join me and connected with me. So yes, back limited. I I don't have laptop right now. I will buy, then it will be very clear on laptop. In mobile phone there is no space, that's why I'm not marking the support and resistant. So here you can get all the information or all the chart of the company here, the Titan. And oh sorry, I have selected bonds. You can search for fundamentally index, crypto, each and every information you will get here. I'm starting this channel for beginner only, who had just trying to open their demat trading account. So I will give you a genuine knowledge, not any paid promotional things here. You can see Tata Motors I have searched. You can search everything, you will get everything here. You will see after that. Okay, that's for today. Thank you so much.